First, we will go to the Google Chrome, and then we will open YouTube. Today we will have a tutorial on how to make a YouTube thumbnail like this one. This text here. We will teach you like this. So first I will go to my channel, your channel, and then YouTube Studio, and then my videos. I will edit this video, so I will click these details. This video is entitled Guided Meditation for Anxiety. So I will go to www.canva.com. Here you can edit your thumbnail for free. You go to create a design, then custom dimensions. For the thumbnail, we will put 1920 by 1080. Create new design, and then we will go to upload, and then we need to upload your own image. If you want a new image, we can get free stock photos here. www.pixabay.com. What's that? Anxiety images. Here we can see free photos here that we can use for our thumbnail. Anxiety. This one, I got it here. So we will use this one. Upload, downloads, this one. And then we will resize this. Oh, not nice. Okay. So big. I don't want this. We will select a new one. For a thumbnail, it needs to be square. Maybe I cannot find here. This one is paid. We type meditation. Okay, this one, we can use this one. Oh, not this one. The lower part here, we can use this. This one can. Free download, then download. It's downloading already. Then change. And then it's uploading. Double click it. Single click only, sorry. Then resize it. so it will fit the canvas like this, so it will look good. After that, we insert the text, add heading, meditate. We use the caps lock, meditation, and then we insert the shape so it will stand out. And then we will edit the font color, then the color of the square. Yeah, and then what we will do is we will group these two objects. We select the square and then press shift and then select the text like this. You see this? After that, you right click and then group together so we can move this item as one. And then we can copy this, Control C and then Control V for paste. And then we will edit this. We will edit the text of meditation for, then we will resize the square. Oh wait, sorry. We will ungroup this first so I can resize the square. Okay. And then I will group them together. Okay, wait. I will make it bigger a bit. And then, okay. I want to, okay. Then group, not nice. Okay. And then group. We will edit it also so it will look better. Meditation for, so I will copy this again and then paste, and then anxiety. I will ungroup this, then I will make the box bigger, and then I will group together, group, so I can resize it as one item. Meditation for, I will change the font color, and then no, white. Okay, we will make it bigger so it will be easier to read. Then we can make it bigger also, and then we can rotate. meditation for anxiety. And then for additional design, we can put a square here. And then we will rotate it like this. And then the transparency, nice. You see the effect. Then it's ready for download. Click this one and then download. Here, come already. And then we go back to YouTube. Then I will upload here for the thumbnail change. File is bigger than 2 MB. Oh, so download smaller size. We will try this one. Change. Okay, nice. And then save. Then we will check. Here already. It will look like this. Here. Thank you for watching.